You know, for all the days it could have rained, it had to have been this one. Now, on my first video, I detailed how the first mod I ever did on the BRZ was my Ready Revolution RS Catback, and how much I really loved this mod. I mean, it was the first mod I ever did, and I really enjoyed it. But beforehand, there was always something like a lot nicer that I wanted. You know, something that was really high quality, possibly made of titanium, and a really big brand name, but they always sounded amazing. And thankfully, today, I was able to finally get one, courtesy of Import Image Racing. Thank you so much for, you know, having one in stock. Over COVID, I wasn't able to ever get one because they were all sold out, or when they were in stock, I just never had the money for it. So today is finally the day that I'm going to be switching out my Ready Revolution RS Catback to a job for my Tomei Extreme 80. And it's going to be a fun install, so let's get into it. With a Tomei Extreme 80, it comes with a mid pipe that has the resonator. It has like this kind of like curved pipe that goes around where the axle is, and then in that box, oh, I'll show you what that is. Now this ends up being what is the beautiful burnt titanium muffler. Now this is a 4.5 inch diameter outlet, which is just the same as the Greddy over there. But I mean, man, look at this thing. It's so beautiful. Let me get all this unwrapped and I can get like a proper showing for you guys. But firstly, before I do that, I'm actually gonna put the back car on jack stands and block the front wheels so it doesn't roll down the driveway. So, just like the Tomei exhaust, the Ready Revolution is a catback, which means it is from the catalytic converter back to the end of the car. It usually replaces the stock muffler and the stock mid pipe. Now, to replace it, there's going to be those two bolts. Those two bolts back there, which connect to the mid pipe, and then there's two bolts right here. But I'm going to try and do it all one piece, and then you know these absolutely annoying exhaust hangers. So, well, let's see if I can do it. First, honestly, I think it'd be better just for me to drop the exhaust hangers off, so that'll be what I do first. Where that grease is from, or whatever this is, but I'm gonna wash my hands really quick. Ew, that was nasty. Now, I got it all off the car, and I mean, oof, she's seen better days. But hey, and that's why we're improving with the beautiful, beautiful Tomei. So let me get like a side-by-side comparison of these two, so we can just see what difference there really is. Well, as you can see, there's an exhaust on there now. My camera died in recording, so I'll take the camera under and I'll show you kind of the process I went around to get it all on. Ah, it's so aggravating. At least we'll still get a first start. So we'll start with the back. It wasn't any different. Those two bolts down there, same thing. It has a gasket bolted up to the flange. It's just the same that it was with, you know, the Greddy cutback. Then it came to where the mid pipe connects to this like kind of curved pipe, and that is a exhaust clamp and springs. So you slide this, you know, curved pipe over the mid pipe. You tighten the clamp down. It gives you instructions how to, you know, tighten it properly, not over tighten it. And then those springs were an absolute pain. I had to use like a flathead to pull one side of the spring, and I pulled it over the other side. I mean, it took a little time, but it's not like it's nothing like super hard and crazy. Now, same with the curved pipe to the muffler. It's like the same, it's nothing too crazy. So this is a better like look at the springs. So the springs kind of connect on top of it. So you see there's one hook there, one hook there. I just hooked it up to the top and then used a flathead screwdriver and used the kind of throat of it to just pull it over, and did it for the top and bottom, and then tighten the clamp over the exhaust. After that was just the muffler, and that's just a hanger. There is this right here, which the muffler slips inside, and there's a gasket right here that makes sure it doesn't scratch any of the muffler or anything like that. And just like the other one, it uses stock exhaust hangers. Same with the kind of like the curved pipe down there as well, which honestly, great. All right, now that it's like low enough to where I won't accidentally starve it of oil if I keep it on for too long, let's get it first. So it did have a bit of an exhaust leak right where that clamp is, so I'm just gonna go down under, tighten it up a little bit, and well, hopefully it doesn't leak anymore. Alright, I got all the exhaust leaks done, all fixed and situated. Let's hear a little bit of revs. So sorry that the camera cut out. I hope I even explained a little bit just how it is installed at Tomei. I hope you guys like the sound of it. I love the sound of it. It came out a lot better than I thought it would be. Next video is going to be a full dedicated like driving video, pops and bangs, things like that. I just ran out of time today and it's starting to pour really badly this time. So thank you everybody so much for watching this video. If you like the content, if you want to see me improve on the content, you know, subscribe, like, share